here to show y'all how I went from this to this nice luscious bob. Wherever your part is, you want to gel the hair going away from them. You can do it back right here. And if y'all could see, I'm taking it, I'm curling it backwards. And remember y'all, I'm curling backwards. I'm pulling it out and then I'm rolling it back towards my face. Dragging it down and like that. Hold it out like this, spray it again, but I'm gonna hold it. And y'all, when I do this, it just gives the hair more volume and make it look a little bit thicker, a little bit fuller without having all of that heavy hair on your head.